In OrCAD X Capture, users can create electrical and mechanical component along with their categories. User can also specify part metadata, associate symbols, and footprints to each component at the creation time. To create a category, do an RMB on My Workspace node and click Add Category. In the Category dialog, specify the name of the category, and for electrical type, ensure that part type is set as electrical. Add description and click the Add button to add new property rows to the category. For each property added, specify additional details like visibility on schematic property, value type, column visibility on Component Explorer. If needed, user can also rearrange the order of the property by drag handles. Switch to the model section and associate symbols to the category. Users can associate multiple symbols to a component or a category. To make a particular symbol as the primary default, do an RMB on the symbol row and click Set as Primary. The primary symbol set would be denoted by a bold lettering. Similarly, associate footprint and alternate footprints to the category. To create subcategories for a category, do an RMB on existing category and click Add to add a new subcategory. From Component Explorer, user can also create mechanical categories. Here, at the time of category creation, select Mechanical as the part type. We can create components from scratch by clicking New Component button or clicking the RMB New Component from My Workspace. The steps are similar to category creation, where user needs to specify the part number, description, add part metadata or properties, and associate CAD information or CAD data. To create a component from an existing component row, do an RMB on a component row and click Duplicate to open the component dialog with preceded data of existing component. A user can then modify the part number and details to create a new component. To create components using categories, select a category and click RMB New Component. The information that is specified in the category gets preceded in the component dialog that opens. User can then modify the part metadata, properties, or symbol information or footprint to create a new component. User can also add MPN details to a component from MPN section. Similarly, user can create mechanical components from a mechanical category. To create a mechanical assembly, do an RMB on the mechanical category and click New Mechanical Assembly. For mechanical assembly, select the mechanical components present in your local workspace and specify their quantity and click Save to create a mechanical assembly component. User can also add components from content providers to their local workspace. To do this, select a component row from one of the content providers and click RMB Add to Library. Once done, the new component dialog will open with preceded data for the component that we selected in the content providers. Click Mechanical tab to go to the Mechanical section and associate mechanical part and mechanical assembly to the component after specifying their quantity. Once saved, the part will then show up in their user's local workspace. From content providers, user can also link manufacturer part as an MPN to their local workspace component. To do so, select a component row from content providers and click RMB to link to a component. Now go to the local workspace component and click RMB link MPN. This will open the MPN dialog. If needed, update the part properties and click Save to save the MPN and complete the linkage.